practiced learning how to fall safely. We've practiced getting up safely and defensively. This is a little more advanced way of getting back up off the ground. We're going to be talking about rolling now. So the prerequisite to rolling is just rocking. So when you're on a mat, you want to use the same principles as you did for the break fall. You want to tuck your chin, round your back, and practice staying tucked and exhale on the way back. And I'm staying fairly loose otherwise. So from there, we can go into a rock, into a crouching position. So when I come onto my back, I make a figure 4, and then I'm going to, when I come back up with my momentum, I'm on this leg. So I come back, make a figure 4, and I'm into that kneeling position that I can then stand up and move out of. So here, you can alternate side to side. Rock, stand, rock, stand. You want to add in that little break fall action, you can. It's totally fine to use your hands to get up out of this too. Here, whether it's one hand or two hands, there. That's, if you're not comfortable enough with rolling, that's an absolutely great thing to practice to just get you comfortable with starting to use the momentum of the fall and work with it.